In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. We'll walk through everything you need so that every time someone submits a form on your site, you get an email with their details. This is especially useful if you're collecting leads, contact requests, or any kind of inquiry, and you don't want to miss a single submission. First, log into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see all of your sites. Find the site you want to work on. Hover your mouse over that site, and you'll see an option appear that says Open in Webflow. Click that to open the project in the Webflow Designer. Inside the Designer, locate the form you want to receive notifications from. If you don't have a form yet, you'll need to add one using the form element in Webflow, then select that form on the canvas. With the form selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and switch to the Settings tab for that element. This is where you configure form behavior. In the Settings tab, scroll until you find the section labeled Send To or Email Notifications. Click on the Email Notifications option and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up controls who gets notified and what the email looks like. By default, you'll see that the email address associated with your Webflow account is already listed in the To field. If you don't want notifications to go to that address, click the small X icon next to it to remove it. You can then type in a different email address, or you can leave the original address and simply add more To addresses so multiple people receive the same notification. Below that, you'll see the sender name field. It usually has a default value like Webflow Forms. You can change this to something more meaningful, like your company or website name, so that when the email arrives in your inbox, you recognize it immediately. Next is the Reply To field. This is pre-filled, but you can edit it if you want replies to go to a specific inbox, such as your support or sales email. After that, you'll see the email subject and the email body. Both are fully editable. This is a great place to customize the message, so it clearly tells you which form was submitted and what information it contains. Once you've made your changes, look at the bottom of the pop-up. If you're happy with everything, click Apply in the bottom right to save your settings. If you've changed your mind and want to go back to the original Webflow setup, click Reset to Defaults at the bottom left. And if you don't want to save anything you just did, simply click Cancel at the bottom right. That's all you need to set up email notifications for your Webflow forms, so you can stay on top of every submission that comes through your site.